any chest press machine. Number one, seat position. When you sit down, you want the handles about armpit level. So I'm here, a little high for me. I'm gonna bring it down a notch. A little better. One, seat position. Two, starting position. It's a little tight, good range, but it's hard on the shoulder. So I'm gonna bring it up a notch here. Short to range, but it's a better starting position, easier on the shoulders. Third is body position. So I want to stick my chest out and bring my shoulders back. Right. Second, I'm having my elbows behind the handles here. Right. So I'm not pushing here, I'm pushing there, pushing forward, keeping the shoulders pinched. Right. Inhale, exhale. We're trying to avoid this. Don't do this. Rounding the shoulders, right? Keep them back. That's just me here, right? Do as many as possible. One, seat position. Two, starting position. Three, body position.